Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to change order confirmation email. So simply what you need to do, just you have to move to settings. So when you open the setting, so next you need to find the notification here. So simply just go to notification, and after that here you can easily change your email. So simply what you need to do, click on customize email template, and now here you can add your email address or you can change it. So in this way you can easily change your confirmation email. So you have to keep in mind that the email you want to provide here should be valid, and it should be active in your cell phone. So after providing email here, your email will be changed